Good morning students. Next continuation class. So problem number 9. So in problem number 6, sub problem number 9. So what is that? A intersection B intersection B union C. B union C. Okay. So 1 minute. So here two brackets are there. Number 1 is A intersection B. Number 2 is B union C. First you should find out A intersection B. So A intersection B, that is equal to. After that you should find out B union C. Okay. So A comma B sets which are common elements. Those elements you can write the set. So A comma B. So which are common? 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 are common. So 7, 9, 11. Why we are writing common elements means here what is the operation? Intersection is the operation. So that next, so down B union C, that means the combination of B set and C set elements. So B comma C, so combinations. So 7, 9, 11, 13. So 11, 13, 15. So elements will come 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay. So we got A intersection B set and B union C. So between what is the operation? Intersection is the operation. So now you can write the problem. So A intersection B intersection B union C, that is equal to. So A intersection B answer is set of 7, 9, 11. So next intersection symbol is there. So intersection. So set of B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So here what is the operation? Intersection is the operation. So which are common, those elements you can write. So 7, 9, 11 are the common. So 7, 9, 11 is the answer. Okay. So write them fast. Next, problem number 10. So problem number 10 is, so A union D intersection B union C. So first you should find out A union D. After that B union C. So A union D, the combination elements of A comma D sets. So A comma D set elements. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. Next, B union C, the combination elements of B comma C sets. So B comma C sets. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 11, 13, 15. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Next, write a problem. So A union D intersection B union C, that is equal to. So set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. That is A union D. Next, intersection symbol. Next, B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So between these two sets, which is the operation? Intersection is the operation. That means, okay, common elements. So 7, 9, 11, 15. 7, 9, 11, 15 are the common. So that, so 7, 9, 11, 15 is the answer. Write down first. Next, problem number 7. If A is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number, is a natural number. Next, B is equal to set of x such that x is an even number. Next, C is equal to set of x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Here also you need natural, even natural number. Next, D is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number. Prime number. Find number 1 A intersection B, number 2 A intersection C, number 3 A intersection D, number 4 B intersection C, number 5 B intersection D, number 6 C intersection D. Okay, so here they given 4 sets in the form of set builder forms. So first you can converting into roster forms. So answer so A is equal to set of x such that x is a natural numbers. That means set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Natural number set. Next, B is equal to set of x is an even natural numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Next, C is equal to set of x is an odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Next, D is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay, so given set builder forms I converted as roster forms. Now you can find out. So problem number 1 I will solve. So problem number 5 I will solve. Remaining problems you can solve. So A intersection B, that is equal to, so set of, so in A set and B set which are common, those elements only you should write. So which are common in A comma B? So 2 common, next 4 common, okay, so 6, 8, 10 are common here and so on is it. That means this set is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 set is equal to B set. So A intersection B is equal to B is the answer. Okay, next problem number 5. So what is the problem number 5? Problem number 5 is B intersection D. So that means common elements of B comma D. So B comma D common elements. So B comma D common elements are, so 2 is the common. Next, so 3 is the common, 5, 7. Okay, so B comma D. So which are common? So 2 is common. Next, there is no 4. Sorry. So in B comma D which are common? In B comma D which are common? 2 is common. Next 4, 6. So here there is no 4, 6, 8. So only 2. This is the answer. Okay, remaining problems you can solve. Next, problem number 8. So problem number 8 is, so if you want to discuss problem number 8, before you should know the definition of disjoint sets. So write down definition: disjoint sets. Disjoint sets, that means if A intersection B is equal to null set, that means phi. If A intersection B is equal to null set, then A comma B sets are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Okay. So if we take an example, okay, A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. That means even natural number set. So B is equal to, I am taking odd natural numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So if you find out A intersection B, is there any common element? We can't get any common element. That means null set. Therefore, so A comma B sets are disjoint sets. Okay. So what is the meaning of disjoint sets? Disjoint sets means if A intersection B is equal to phi means null set. That means there is no any common element in given sets. Then those sets are called disjoint sets. Okay. Now we can discuss problem number 8. So problem number 8. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Okay, so problem number 1. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and set of x such that x is a natural number and 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Okay. Next, problem number 2. Set of A comma E comma I comma O comma U and set of C comma D comma E comma F. Okay. See answer. That means these two sets are disjoint or not. If any common element is there, then these two sets are not disjoint sets. So what is the first set? So first set you can assume let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next B set you can assume. So second set you have to assume B set. So set of natural number and that x value lies between 4 to 6. That means 4 will come, 5, 6. So if you find out A intersection B, so disjoint means you have to find out definitely A intersection B. So tell me, is there any common element? Yes, common element is there. 4 is the common element. That means this is not equal to null set. Therefore, given sets are not disjoint. Okay. Next, number 2. Problem number 2. So answer. So first set you have to assume A. So let A is equal to set of A comma E comma I comma O comma U. Second set you can assume B set. So C comma D comma E comma F. Find out A intersection B. So is there any common? Yes, common element E is there. So you can get E. So it is not equal to null set. Therefore, given sets are not disjoint. Okay, write down fast. Next, third one. So third one is set of x such that x is an even integer, and set of x such that x is an odd integer. Okay, that is a problem. See answer. That means given two sets are disjoint or not. Okay, he is asking disjoint or not. Okay, so first one you can assume a set. Let a is equal to set of so even integers. So integers means plus or minus will come. So plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 8, so plus or minus 10 and so on. These are the integers. Okay, next, so let b set, you can assume second one. So x is an odd integer, so plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 7, plus or minus 9 and so on. So find out a intersection b. Can we get any common element? No, we can't get any common element, so we will get null set. Yes, therefore given sets are disjoint. Okay, write down fast. So 8th one also problem 8 also over. Next, problem number 9. So problem number 9. If a is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, b is equal to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. So find number 1. Problem number 1, a minus b. Problem number 2, a minus c. Problem number 3, a minus d. Problem number 4, b minus a. Next, problem number 5, c minus a. Problem number 6, d minus a. Problem number 7, b minus c. Problem number 8, b minus d. Problem number 9, c minus b. Problem number 10, d minus b. Problem number 11, c minus d. Problem number 12, d minus c. Okay, so I will solve 4 problems. Remaining problems you can solve. So first problem I will solve, so 6th one I will solve, so 9th one I will solve. Next So fourth one I will solve. Okay. So answer. So very easy. So first one is a minus b. A minus b. The meaning is the difference of a comma b sets. So first write an a set elements. So a set elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Next minus symbol is there. So minus is the operation. Next b set. So b set. So b set elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you know, you don't know, okay, up to now when the operation is minus, you know very well about union and intersection. So when minus is there between two sets which are common, those elements you can cancel in the first set. So 4 is there, no 4, so 8 is not there, so 12 is there, so cancel. Next 16, 20, so you cancel only 12. Why? Because okay, 12 is the common element, there is no any common element, so just you cancel 12. So 16 is not there, 20 is not there. So remaining elements, what is the remaining elements? So 3, 6, 9, so 15, 18, 21. This is the answer. Okay, next. So first one is over. So next, fourth one. So fourth one is, so b minus a, that is equal to first b set elements. So b set elements are, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. First b set is, so b set. Next minus. Next a set. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Is there any common elements? Yes, 12 is there. So cancel 12 in the first set. Next, that's all only. So remaining elements are 4, 8, 16, 20. Which are remaining elements in the first set. Those elements only you should write in the set. Now if you observe these two, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Okay, so a minus b answer is not equal to b minus a answer. Write in fast. Next. Next, problem number 6. So problem number 6. So I will solve, okay, problem number 3. There is a relation between problem number 3 and problem number 6. Okay. So problem number 3. What is problem number 3? A minus d. So first a set elements. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus d set elements. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Is there any common? Yes, common elements are 15, only 15. So cancel in the first set. Remaining elements in the first set is, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. That is the answer. Next, so problem number 6. So problem number 6 is d minus a. D minus a. First d set elements. So 5, 10, 15, 20 minus next a set. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Is there any common? Yes, common elements are 15 only in the first set. Okay, in these two sets, which are the common? 15 is the common. You can cancel in the first set, that 15. Remaining elements in the first set is, so 5, 10, 20. If you observe these two answers, so what we observed means a minus d answer is not equal to d minus a answer. Okay, so remaining problems you can solve same like this only. Okay, so remaining problems we can discuss in next class. Thank you, students. But here, okay, I left some problems you have to complete. Then what you observed, those answers are like this also you have to complete. That means by seeing here a minus c is not equal to c minus a, c minus d is not equal to d minus c, b minus c is not equal to c minus b, b minus d is not equal to d minus b. That is the observation in this problem. Okay, thank you students. We can discuss in next class.